student, welcome to this lecture. Myself Bhujbhai GR, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, Aund. In this lecture, you will study about the one of the most important synthetic reagent which is used for reduction of carbonyl group, which is none other than lithium aluminum hydride. Let us see the outline of this lecture. In this lecture, firstly we discuss the introduction, structure, methods of preparation and synthetic applications of lithium aluminum hydride. Let us see the introduction of this lithium aluminum hydride having molecular formula LiAlH4. It is also abbreviated as LAH. It is discovered by the scientist Feinhold von Schlesinger in 1947. This lithium aluminum hydride it violently reacts with water and protic solvent, releasing hydrogen. So, it is always used in anhydrous condition in ether, THF, or dioxin solvent. This lithium aluminum hydride it is used as reducing agent for polar multiple bond like a carbon oxygen double bond, that is for carbonyl group. Then let us see the structure of lithium aluminum hydride. This is the structure of lithium aluminum hydride. It is formed by the coordinate of 4 hydride ion to 1 Al3 plus ion. There is the tetrahedral arrangement of hydrogen around Al3 plus in aluminum hydride. It forms AlH4 minus ion. This AlH4 minus ion is surrounded by Li plus. In the lithium aluminum hydride, the aluminum it is the sp3 hybridizer. Let us see the methods of preparation of lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is prepared by slowly adding the calculated quantity of aluminum chloride to the slurry of lithium hydride in dry ether. It forms lithium aluminum hydride and lithium chloride. The unreacted lithium hydride and precipitate lithium chloride they are removed by filtration. This filtrate it on evaporation in the absence of air and carbon dioxide. This lithium aluminum hydride is separate out as gray solid. Let us see the synthetic application. Lithium aluminum hydride acts as the reducing agent for polar multiple bond like a carbon oxygen bond. This carbon oxygen double bond it is a carbonyl group. This carbonyl group it on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride it forms the alcohol. There is the reduction of double bond to the single bond and addition of two hydrogen, one towards the carbonyl carbon and another hydrogen towards the carbonyl oxygen. This carbonyl group it is present in aldehydes, ketones, acid halides, esters, acid anhydrides, acids and amino acids. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the alcohol. Let us see one by one. Aldehydes. Aldehyde, it on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the primary alcohol. Let us consider a general example RCHO. It on treatment with the lithium aluminum hydride in ether followed by hydrolysis there is the formation of primary alcohol that is the RCH2OH. In this case, there is the conversion of the CHO aldehyde group to the CH2OH primary alcohol group. Let us see the example hexanol, that is the CS3 CH2 4 CHO. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the 1 hexanol, that is the CS3 CH twice 4 CH2OH. Let us see second example, crotonaldehyde CS3 CH double bond CH CHO. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the crotonyl alcohol, that is the CS3 CH double bond CH CH2OH. There is the reduction of only CHO group to the CH2OH group. Let us see the another example, that is the cinnamaldehyde, that is the C6H5 CH double bond CH CHO. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the 3-phenyl 1-propanol. There is the reduction of CHO group to the CH2 group, as well as there is the reduction of this carbon-carbon double bond to the carbon-carbon single bond. In this case, there is the reduction of this carbon-carbon double bond. This is due to the presence of phenyl ring at beta position. Another is the example is the ketone. Ketone CS3COCS3, that is the acetone. Ketone reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. There is the reduction of this carbonyl group to the secondary alcohol. There is the formation of the 2-propanol CS3CHOH CS3. Second example is the cyclobutanone. Ketone reduction, it forms the cyclobutanol. Another examples are lithium aluminum hydrides. It reduces the carboxylic acids and its derivative. The order of reactivity is the acid chloride is most reactive than the ester, which is more reactive than the amide, which is more reactive than the nitride, which is more reactive than the acids. Let us see the one by one. Acyl halides, that is the acetyl chloride CS3COCl. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the ethyl alcohol CS3CH2OH. Then esters, ethyl acetoacetate, that is the CS3COCH2 COOC2H5. In this compound, there is the presence of two functional groups. One is the ketone and another is the ester. In on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, this ketone, it is converted into the secondary alcohol, that is the CHOH, while the ester, it is converted into the CH2OH. Ethyl acetoacetate, it on reduction, it forms the butane 1,3-diol. Another example is the ethyl crotonate CS3CH double bond CH COOC2H5. On reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the 2-butanol, that is the CS3 CH double bond CH CH2OH. Acid anhydride, acetic anhydride CS3CO twice O. It on reduction, there is the formation of ethyl alcohol CS3CH2OH. Then this lithium aluminum hydride, it is used for reduction of miscellaneous compounds, that is the amide, azides, nitro compounds and epoxides. Let us see the amides. Acetamide, that is the CS3CONH2. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, there is the formation of ethyl amine CS3CH2NH2. Acetanilide, that is the C6H5 NHCOCS3. It on reduction, it forms ethyl aniline C6H5 NHCH2CS3. There is the conversion of CO group to the CH2 groups. Azides, that is the RN3, it on reaction with lithium aluminum hydride, it forms the amine, that is the ReNH2. Nitrile, depending on the reaction condition, it forms the different product. At minus 50 degrees centigrade, nitrile RCN, it on reduction, it forms the imine, that is the R CH double bond NH, which on hydrolysis, it forms the aldehyde RCHO. While when we carry out the reaction at room temperature, we get the amine as the final product. Nitrile RCN, it on treatment with the lithium aluminum hydride in ether, we get the imine salt RCH double bond NLI, which on hydrolysis we get the amine as the product RCH2 NH2. Nitro compound aliphatic, it forms the amino compounds. 1 nitropropane CH3 CH2 CH2 NO2. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, we get the 1 amino propane CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. While the aromatic nitro compound, we get the complex product. Nitrobenzene C6H5NO2. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in ether, we get the azobenzene as the product C6H5 N double bond N C6H5. Epoxide CH2 double bond C single bond CH2O. It on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, we get the alcohol as the product, that is the CH2 double bond CH OH CS3. This is all about the lithium aluminum hydride. Thank you.